Hello. The topic I will talk about in this video today is how you can add Google Search Console to the WordPress dashboard. And I will add to the WordPress dashboard the same page that you can see now. Okay. First, open your dashboard or log in your WordPress website. Next, after login your WordPress website, next go to plugin section and add new plugin. And the plugin name is Site Kit by Google. And first one, install now. After installation active, and then site kit and dashboard. Okay, first here we see total click 4 and total impressions 66. Site kit and dashboard. This is my account. Okay, and this same account we log in Google Site Kit dashboard. And next is allow. Go to my dashboard. Here search console is connected. Okay, this one is last 3 months. It changes 28 days and apply 34 and 1. Okay, this is August 28 to September 24. Change the last 3 months 66 and 4. Okay, now this way you can add Google Search Console in your WordPress dashboard or website. Thank you.